hold the boy, man, squad. We hold the boy. Hey, boy, turn round. Yo, hold up your buckle there. Hold it. Yeah, man, this a thief, don't it?
Yeah, but man, I tell man to turn round.
Turn round, you. Turn round. Turn round.
But don't touch me.
Yo, hold up your buckle now. Yeah, man, wait.
Aye! Oh shit, but tell us some stuff. Put on this. Put it on.
Alright, yeah, we just reached a mega caliber.
Hi Zoe.
What you in here do?
Nothing.
Ajay, who that on the wall?
What do you mean all that? This is a mosquito that.
Ajay, is that fly that?
Zoe is a mosquito. See that shit? I'm just can't better kill it right now.
Alright, if it's a fly, kill it.
Kill it? What? Alright, man. Might kill it.
Alright, that now work.
Zoe.
Clean it up.
Brother, I'm gonna tell you, don't come up over me now. Watch it.
Me I tell it, yo, police.
Morning. Hey, what's the driver for this vehicle?
Me no know.
So hold on. You don't know nothing?
Me no know.
Hold on, only no sense.
Me no know.
I see no registration.
You come like a car say. Nobody in the driver seat there, so I come give you back a talk. Me no know.
Oh, your voice so strong, sir.
Me no know. Me no know.
You no idiot?
Me no know.
I'm a matter of fact, who I need to write a ticket for this vehicle?
Me no know.
You don't know. Alright, I will solve that. And this is Sergeant Ugurugu. I need that jeep. Hello, where you going? Back up them. 5 escape here. What? Back up.
And last week, remember you were on the phone.
Yeah.
When you call your grandma and tell her, say, look, mommy, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Look, grandma, and you were almost crying.
Look here.
And then me see you in the market now waste time again.
Hold on. Let me address you now. Your son, you see me, my granny, and me never did almost cry. I worry. And she one did it. And to all she had talked me think that's not me try.
But you see, that's why I'm seeing it. When I see the market now, I say, wait.
My grandmother is in the market. She sells in the market.
Oh.
So we never know people is they not calling out and come out after
I'm sorry.
And that's why your belly big so you look like you feed for people basically.
Yes.
Yo, mommy, I make some dinner for you, yeah?
Remember me pressure.
Alright.
Too much, brother.
Yeah.
Thanks, my son. Oy. Father God bless and sanctify food.
That's great.
Awa.
We put so much salt in ice sitting for.
Me never put plenty salt in it.
Me tell you, my blood pressure high.
Me never put plenty in there, mommy.
Jesus, I kill me.
No, I don't plenty salt in there. A little bit in there. I want a little bit.
I kill you.
Oh boy. You guys just hate me, don't you? You hate me, right? You just hate me, right? Alright. Irish wish wash. Rotted. Irish wish wash. Wish wash? Irish wrist what? Irish wrist. Irish wrist. Irish wrist wash. Irish wrist. Oh man, yo, what is on that? Irish witch watch. Witch watch. Irish wrist. Yo! Irish wrist wash. Jesus Christ. Irish wrist. Jesus Christ, brother. Say you done, brother. Irish wrist. Irish wrist wash. Jesus. Irish wristwatch. Boom!
Plane just crashed with the coke. We not put it in no cells rocket.
Ajay?
Yeah?
What one ready?
No, just a second. The time.
Oh, so you want to say magic trick?
Alright, I'm there.
Alright, cool. So
Jamaicans answer the phone.
Oi there. What you want? As long you take for you call me back? What a way you dash me way. Me say me mean for call you from where there, you know. Rain I got fall, you call me and not send me please call me. Hello? Me can call you back? Who did? Me say me just take up the phone for call you back, you know. Me say y'all go live long, me just call you there, me know.
Manakis, you listen up.
Yeah, man, give thanks to my general.
Yeah,
You see
man,
me, I said, make a small cup of water to my general.
Yeah, forward there.
Alright.
Say, I'm a J.
Alright, respect my general.
Say nothing. Yo, see I show water and food, Manakis.
You know, sir, last week me got a doctor, and it cost me $8,000.
How I go on?
Doctor said me I eat too much dry food.
Nakis, that's the doctor mean, man. You
So now what the food
cook
was
some
up now?
food, Nakis, man.
No, him said the food too dry, so me wet
You mean
it up
if you
now.
cook some food, Nakis, man. Cook food if you eat and no, man. Just I tell you, sir, cook your food, Nakis.
It now cost me $8,000 again, you know. So you can't come tell him about this doctor mean.
Nakis, cook
If the
food,
food
man.
is dry and he say it's too much dry food, not good. That means that if you wet it up.
Nakis, cook food, the people might talk, Nakis. Just listen,
You know,
man.
say better tell me say they want to give me the clear food, my general.
But I waste my food, Nakis.
You know, because I take me leave, you know.